Hey guys, I'm Gary from Lost in the Ozarks. Welcome to our video on cooking campfire shrimp Creole. That's Bill over there doing the cooking prep while I get the fire started. So let's get started making this delicious meal you can cook over a campfire the next time you head out camping. Or you can even cook this at home. If you want to make it easier to put the meal together, you can prepare the vegetables at home prior to heading out to camp. Just chop them up and put them in a covered bowl, and you'll save some prep time when you get to camp. To make this, you're going to need the vegetables first of all. You'll need 3 onions, 2 bell peppers, and 2 or more stalks of celery. The amount of celery you add depends on your taste. Chop the vegetables first. You can use red or white onions. Again, this pretty much depends on your taste. And you can also chop the vegetables to taste. If you like larger chunks of vegetables, cut them larger. If you like smaller chunks, just chop them fine. There's no right or wrong way to do your vegetables. It all just depends on your taste. While chopping the veggies, go ahead and put a saucepan with water over the fire to cook some rice. For this recipe, you want to cook about 6 cups of rice. What you'll do is you'll spoon the shrimp Creole over the rice to make the dish. Be sure and see the instructions for cooking your rice on the package to see how much water you'll need. While the water for the rice is coming to a boil, you can start to saute your vegetables. Melt a 1/4 cup or 1 stick of butter or margarine in a Dutch oven. Once the butter is melted well, put in your vegetables to saute in the butter. Stir it often to prevent sticking. While the vegetables are cooking, go ahead and put your rice in the water and follow the instructions on the package for cooking. If the rice gets done before your other ingredients finish, just move it to the edge of the cooking surface to keep it warm. We're using a cast iron griddle over the fire pit, but you can also use a grill to cook your dish if you prefer. We have a large pot of water coming to a boil too. We decided to cook some crab legs and corn on the cob to go with the shrimp Creole. That's what the large pot of water is for. Now you can heat some bread by slicing it and adding butter, then wrapping it in aluminum foil and placing it at the edge of your cooking surface to warm it up. Turn the bread often and don't get it too close to the fire to prevent burning it. Once your veggies are tender, it's time to add the spices. Pour in 1 cup of water and stir, then add your spices. You can finely chop 2 garlic cloves, or you can use garlic salt to taste if you prefer. If you use garlic salt, substitute it for the salt and garlic called for in the recipe. You'll also need to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 1½ teaspoons of salt unless you went with garlic salt, and 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Add red pepper to taste to give the shrimp Creole a mild heat, or more heat if you like it hot. Now add 2 bay leaves and 1 or 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce. Use 2 cans if you prefer more tomato taste and a redder look to the dish. Again, this is something you add to taste. Stir well and bring the vegetable spice mixture back to a slow boil. Once the vegetables are boiling, it's time to add 2 pounds of peeled shrimp to the vegetables. Cook the shrimp in the vegetables until the shrimp are firm and pink. Don't overcook them or the shrimp will get tough. Once the rice is cooked, drain it and set it to the side while you finish the shrimp and vegetables. Once they're done, it's time to enjoy. Place rice in a bowl and spoon shrimp Creole over the rice. Be sure and head over to our website to get the full recipe, and while you're there, check out some of our other information on places to look at in the Ozarks, as well as our information on hiking and camping adventures. And as always, thanks for watching. Be sure and like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when new videos are released.